Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, so the next video you all see will the next video you all will see after this is me making my actual budget video. So I get my check stub tonight, and I'm going to maybe make my budget tonight or early in the morning while I'm at work. That way I can double check a few things and all of that. And then make sure everything gets taken care of when it comes to the bills and whatnot. What I wanted to do, and I got this sheet from Budgeting Just Because. So definitely, if you would like a sinking funds tracker, definitely go check out Budgeting Just Because. This is a freebie, and she have a few other things. So I said the only way to start December out right, since I haven't got paid, is to see what I have for my sinkings and savings and all of that good stuff. So right before pressing record on the camera, I went through binders, I went through all of my accounts, all of that, and just checked to see what was what. So right now we're starting out with health. Now health only has $50. As you all know, I'm always buying eye drops, things like that. Thank goodness I only have one eye drop that costs $30 a month, and that's with a discount code from the manufacturer. Of course, I can't talk at all. Good evening, everybody. That's all I can say. Like, if you have expensive medicines, don't forget to double check. I know we use GoodRx and whatnot, but double check the manufacturer's website to see if there is some type of coupon available. Without this coupon, my eye drops, and this just for 1 month, would be a couple $100, and I refuse to pay for that. So health, $50. Let's go to the next. I also will be announcing the giveaway winner in this video as well. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So special occasion, that's things for like birthdays and all of that. I wish I had more, but I don't. So $20 will have to do for now. Next, we have Girls Trip. So Girls Trip has a total of $4.91. Remember, the Girls Trip is next month. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 paychecks to save from my best friend's wedding. Remember, the wedding did get moved from next year to 2026. So I do have quite a bit time to save. So I'm going to start working on that. Next, we have family. Family only has $10, which I definitely need to add a ton of money to this because I do have a family reunion next year and I really want to go. I've never been to Washington at all whatsoever. Hopefully I'll be able to go. If not, I will be able to use the money that I would have saved for next year towards the next year after that. That way, I don't want to over budget. I don't want to go into debt just to make a family reunion because it wouldn't be worth it, right? So for home, we have $869 for home, and home is pretty much like a down payment on a house. I don't have much at all, but it's a start, right? Next, we have emergency. Well, it's not emergency, but it is an emergency fund. I like to call it my abundance fund, but it's the emergency money in Alley, which is $4K for car. And remember, I did say I wanted to save for tires. I have $166 altogether. For Alley interest, remember, I did have over $200 here, but I did use some to pay some things. So now I only have $84.47. And that's until I get my interest money again on the 13th. When it comes to protect the quarterback, this is like a rolling savings. So what's in there can get used at any time. So $2.06. Next, we have the emergency fund in SoFi, which is $210.78. I am really hoping you all can hear me. Hopefully you can. For Christmas, we have $784.47. Now, remember in my last video, I said I do have $20 in my Chime account that's just sitting there. So I don't know. I may end up moving that $20 to Christmas, because even though Christmas is about, what, 15, 16 days away, I want to save anything just in case I need to grab extra stuff for people. And that's it. Y'all, look at that. That is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And if you don't know where this pen came from, it came from Erica over at Black and Blue, dripped by E. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. So I've already did the calculations. This is where we're at, and this is my little small thing of coffee that I have. I don't have much at all in here, so I grab the smallest jar, cup, whatever you want to call it, and put it in. So I added everything up all together. That's if I'm not missing anything, but it is possible that I am, so we never know. So all together we have $6,707.78. Wow, 777. What does that mean, y'all? I have to look that up because this is crazy. So since we went through all of this, and I did double check to make sure. Now this is not including any other things, just what I pretty much want to save for. So let's go ahead and check to see who the winner is. I need to go ahead and unlock my laptop because it did just go into standby mode. So hold on. I do have my notes to the side. I see 6 people did enter, and I'm just checking to see what the comments show. It does show loaded 6 comments. So let's go ahead and pick a winner. And for the winner, if you are a winner, I want you to go back to the original video, and I will put the title. I think it's, let me see. Okay, and there is a glare because I have my flash on. I want you to go to the November 2nd paycheck budget, getting out of credit card debt, Vlogmas Day 3, and just edit your comment, and I'll show you how. So where it has the 3 dots, you would just click on it. Of course, I can't edit any comments from my end, but it would show an option to edit, and I just want you to edit the comment and say, hey, I'm the winner. That way I would know it's you and not an actual bot, spammer, or whatever. After that, I want you to send me a message on Instagram, or you can send me a email at idesirewealth@gmail.com, which that will be linked below because it is now, and just say, hey, I'm a winner, my address is blah blah blah, and I will try to get it sent out as fast as I can. Remember, I am working overtime the rest of this week, and by the time I do get off, it will be pretty late. So Travis is off today, so the faster I get this video out, the faster you will be able to get the package, because I can have him to go with me to the post office since he is off, and we can get that shipped out to you. So let's go ahead and pick a winner. Okay, y'all, so I got a phone call and end up dropping the phone, so I'm going to go ahead and pick a winner. So we have Tanya at the Nightlife. So this is her comment. So Tanya, reach out to me. That way I can go ahead and get this sent out to you. That way you would have it. Hold on, let me stop. So congratulations again. I just had to put my phone up here. That way I can get this video finished. So since we got the first giveaway out the way, let me go ahead and grab my notes because I don't know where my notebook is. So remember when I thought I gave these away and I didn't? Well, I'm going to do that now. So we have, not that, we have Coach envelopes from the one and only Cute Ninny Things, and these are a 6. So Tara, you will be able to participate because I know you don't like anything a 7. You don't like folding your money. You don't like any of it. So this is a giveaway that you're able to enter. So the first envelope we have is grocery. I never ended up using these, so I decided, hey, let's go ahead and give these away. So we have grocery, we have travel, we have essentials, we have household. Aren't they beautiful, y'all? We have eating out, we have fun, we have miscellaneous, we have, whoops, let me put these back like they were. So we have all the envelopes. And remember when I ordered this but never made it through it? So we have all of these. And we have a Savage snowball. This is just something I'm adding in because, well, I haven't used it and I'm trying to, if I haven't used it in, so long, then I can just give it away. So we have the savings challenge, or stacking my paper book of challenges, along with these right here. So if you want to win those, you would just put in Coach Random, so COACH Random, and I'll put the hashtag. Also, remember when I ordered this and it seemed like it took a long time to come? Remember, I ordered this in December of 2023, but I never got it due to bad weather. So when I got this, it was 2024. So we have this 2023 Savings Challenge book that I never used. And look, there's a challenge. Well, that shouldn't be in there. That shouldn't be in there at all. So we have all of these fun challenges that comes from Star Budgets. And this is 2 giveaway winners. So we have this by itself and we have this by itself. For anyone that wants to win the 2023 edition Savings Challenge book, we're going to put hashtag 2023 edition. And I'll show you all these again. So this is 250, 250, 100, 450, 200, 325, 500. We have 150. We have, is that it? I don't know. Oh, here it is, 150. Oh, stuff falling. Then we have one for Halloween for 450. Of course, you don't have to save how it's wanting you to save just because it has an amount. You could say, well, I'm going to scratch 3 of these off, or 5 or 10 of these, and then I'll, stop. So it's totally up to you. So for this one, do hashtag 2023 ED. So 2023 ED. And for this, we're going to do Coach Random. And I'll let the giveaway go from today, which is the 10th. And since I want to get all of these things out before the new year, we're going to do from today, which is the 10th, until the 14th. And what I'll do is make an announcement when I do the video on the 15th, which is my dad's birthday. May he rest in peace. So, also, that's the day that Chris is doing her live giveaway. So, you all definitely needs to be there. So other than that, that's it. That's the video. I'm going to go ahead and get this uploaded. That way it can be out on time. Tanya, email me or send me a message on Instagram. Whichever one is totally up to you. And after that, I'll get your address, get this sent out. Remember, I am working overtime the rest of this week, so please give me a little time. Thank you all. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.